This is the gasoline dispenser fuel pump. So we tear down and go to you about the assemble and the component. So step by step I will crop for detail to make the easy to understand, to make it clear to be easy understand. Okay, here it is the internal component. You can see the detailed information that we get from number 1 to number 12. Okay, here number 1 is the main controller. So this is the internal component, and we just go to use what does it work and what is the component inside. So it has several parts like this as shown in the video here. Okay, here we saw about the neutral. So here you can see the detail from number 1 to number 7, and try to check and understand it. Gasoline dispenser, hose, and cross section. Here we make a cross section for detail to read and understand about the components. Okay, this part it is talk about how does it work. You can see step by step from the narrows, like the first one we talk about the fuel tank, and then it goes to the filter and the motor pump, and then it go to the flow meter, solenoid valve, and then it go to the nozzle, and then it direct to your engine fuel tank. So this is the detail and a very good information and a very good view of the gasoline dispenser.